What's up, Sickle Cell Warriors? It's Dr. O and the grind never stops. Alright, Sickle Cell Warriors, today I'm going to be talking about gene therapy. I've received quite a few requests about people wanting to talk about gene therapy, and I completely understand because it's a potential cure. So that's something that's really exciting. So today in this video, we're going to be talking about two things. What is gene therapy? And does it cure sickle cell disease? Because gene therapy is a relatively new procedure, there's not too much information out there about gene therapy. But what I did do for us is I surfed the web and I watched a lot of videos and read a lot of articles so I can curate the content that will be most relevant to us and will enhance our overall understanding of gene therapy.
Sickle cell gene therapy works by extracting patients' own hematopoietic stem cells, applying genetic modification to them, and reintroducing them back into the patient. Once back in the patient, modified hematopoietic stem cells start dividing, producing healthy red blood cells that are no longer prone to circling. Genetic modification is done in a lab with the help of modified viruses.
And then before I talk about the first clip, I want to show you all the second one too. I want to put them both together, so let's watch this one too real quick.
A bone marrow transplant can be a cure, but less than a quarter of people with sickle cell disease have a correctly matched sibling donor to make them eligible. Gene therapy aims to be another one-time curative treatment. It addresses the genetic cause of the disease, which is a faulty gene, and aims to decrease or eliminate symptoms. But to understand how gene therapy would work, we need to better understand hemoglobin. While in the womb, humans produce fetal hemoglobin, which keeps red blood cells healthy and moving freely. Typically, the fetal hemoglobin gene switches off shortly after birth. While most people switch to making healthy adult hemoglobin during infancy, people with sickle cell disease transition to making adult sickle hemoglobin. Gene therapy would use the person's own stem cells to either produce more fetal hemoglobin instead of the sickle adult hemoglobin, or to produce healthy adult hemoglobin. Hematopoietic stem cells, or HSCs, are versatile cells that can turn into any type of blood cells the body needs. To eliminate existing stem cells that are still carrying the faulty gene, chemotherapy is administered before gene therapy. The goal is to get a new gene into these stem cells, which is through an ex vivo approach, meaning the treatment occurs outside the body. Because the gene can't get into a cell on its own, it needs a delivery method called a vector. Vectors are often derived from viruses. But don't worry, the viral genes are removed, so only therapeutic genes are delivered.
So as you can see, the science of gene therapy could be a bit complex and confusing. But essentially, I just want to break it down so it's really simple for us to understand. There is mutated sickle cell genes, which we have, and then there's the normal fetal hemoglobin genes, which are healthy genes. And essentially what gene therapy does is it extracts the sickle cell genes in our body, and then after extracting the sickle cell genes in our body, scientists put normal fetal hemoglobin genes in replacement of the sickle cell genes in our bodies. Now, obviously there's a lot more to the therapy and how it works, but honestly it's very complicated and it's still a relatively new thing. And I just simply wanted to explain to y'all what gene therapy is so we can have an idea of how it works. So does gene therapy cure sickle cell disease? Now this is the big question we all been wondering, and the good news is yes. I have read several cases and articles that talk about people being cured with sickle cell disease. I've watched some videos too where they give examples of people being cured with sickle cell disease, and I've even spoken with a few doctors where they told me where they heard of cases of gene therapy curing some people. Although that is great news, unfortunately, because this is such a really new medical advancement, there's not much information out there. And so in terms of the pertinent information that most patients would care about and sickle cell warriors would care about, unfortunately there's not that much access to that, so I can't really explain that. So I'm pretty much, what I'm talking about are like questions like, oh, how much does it cost? Where can I get gene therapy? Because all this is new, I wish I could provide you all with that information, but unfortunately I couldn't really find it. But I'm pretty sure the cost of gene therapy, because it's not very common, is astronomically high. Although there has been cases shown where people have been cured of sickle cell disease, it's unfortunately not really accessible to many people, and I don't want to get our hopes up and feel like gene therapy is gonna be the thing that saves all of us and will spread like a massive cure for everybody with sickle cell disease. But if I find any more pertinent information that will be very helpful to us, I would definitely talk about it and make a video on it and explain the good news. Even though gene therapy is not super widespread and it's not available to everybody in the world, I do think that this is great news because it shows that there's hope out there. It shows that if we really put our heads together, if we really work together, we can really find a cure, and it makes me believe that there's the possibility of finding widespread affordable cure is out there, because there's so many different possibilities and things that we just don't know in the world. But the more research we do and the more information we gain, the more it becomes a possibility out there to get a cure, which is great. Anyway, sickle cell warriors, thank you so much for staying towards the end of this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And once again, thank you for blessing me.